Hello guys! Ayan. Actually guys, this gown is only RTW. Yes, RTW gown siya guys. Ha? Actually, this gown also is gagamitin niya for Santa Cruzan. No? Santa Cruzan tayo guys. Yung gown na to guys, may pa-trail. Yes, may trail. At saka yung embellishment na ginamit namin. Dito is more on floral. Floral lace siya. Ayan. Pinatry din namin si ma'am umikot-ikot, yes. Tapos since ditali nga ang likod, ganyan ginagawa po namin guys, no. Ganyan. Tinatali muna namin yung likod, tapos parampahin namin yung aming kliyente. Ayan, ayan siya guys. Guys, RTW lang to ha, only 6'5". Yes, 6'5 lang to guys. Only RTW. Yes. Kaya sa mga gusto dyan na maka-avail ng ating RTW guys, just visit our shop na lang guys ha. Thank you so much. Mwah.